Tracking the coronavirus for you this midday, the Knox County Board of Education is asking Governor Lee to let schools that have to move to virtual learning keep having extracurricular activities. Board members sent the letter on the same day that both Austin East Magnet High School and Central High School moved to virtual learning. That move required them to give up their extracurricular activities under a state waiver on in-person learning. The board wants the state to allow extracurriculars to go ahead or let school districts make that decision based on the situation in the community.